Folks, good morning. Mark from Plumbing Mart here. How are you today? I showed you this job, I think a day or two ago. Frank and Madeline's. We are doing a full bathroom renovation here. We're going from tub to shower. We've done our demo, and we've got the rough and plumbing done. I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's all ripped apart before we put it back together. So we've got a semi-detached house here. So we've always got a brick wall in between the two houses separating it. These walls only get strapped. You can see that we've only got about an inch here. We were going to put some insulation on here for just for soundproofing or whatever. We are going with a valve here. This valve will be from Boulanger, Canadian company. This will be a pressure balance valve. We're going to have a hand shower on the side. The hand shower is going to go up to here. We have no rain head in this job, no shower head in this job, but we do have a removable hand shower. We've redone our drain down here at the bottom. That is the receiver. For the shower base is right over here. It's from Florco. It's a beautiful base. It's a really, really nice base. It's low profile. It starts out 2 3/4 of an inch. By the time we tile, we're about 2 1/4 inch, 2 inches exposed. So it's almost a barrier-free base. Beautiful base, Canadian company. We had a little surprise here when we took the medicine cabinet off. There was an old recessed cabinet there. That's got to get framed in and drywalled. But overall, we're pretty good. We've got plywood on the floor, so it tells you when this house was built. You know, this is a 60s home. It was a nice plywood on here. We had a few other materials on top. We were putting down a new subfloor prior to the thin set and the porcelain tile going on here. We're putting dent shield all the way around here. Yeah, complete job. So we're moving along real good. And we'll have the basin today. We'll have the dent shield up today. We'll be starting to tile tomorrow. So Plumbing Mart, kitchens, bathrooms, basements, home renovations. Give us a call. We're looking forward to dealing with you. Bye for now.